Hello guys, welcome to my channel Mindful Convo. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So, our today's topic is weights in selenium. From the human point of view, weight is the most worst part, but for selenium it plays a very major role in the scripts. Since most of the web pages are developed using the JavaScript, so a page or the web element will take time to load. And because of the same reason, elements not visible exception or no such element exception is thrown. So with the help of the weight, we can resolve this problem. So in weights particularly, we have often seen the user navigated through various web pages back and forward. Thus we can use the wait statements in order to handle the occurrences of the web element, web page, or the load of the web element. So we have two waits, implicit wait as well as explicit wait. So first we will be going to discuss about the implicit wait. Basically, implicit wait provide the default waiting time, that is 30 seconds between the each step. Just look at this word, that each step. The next step will execute only after 30 seconds have completed after executing the previous step. So now we will be going to discuss the syntax for the implicit wait. So for implicit wait, the syntax is driver.manage.timeouts.implicitly wait 10 time unit.seconds. In order to use the implicit wait, first of all we need to import the package import java.concurrent.time unit. Here the 10 is the first argument that indicates the waiting time, and the time unit.seconds is the second argument that indicates the time measurement. It will by default mention 30 seconds as the default waiting time. But at the same time, the main drawback is it increases the test script time, as after each and every step the implicit wait gets executed. In order to handle this issue, we have explicit wait. So the explicit wait is used to wait for the execution until the time any condition is met or the time specified has elapsed. Explicit wait need not to be applied for each and every step. It needs to be applied for the particular steps or the commands only. So we have two classes in the explicit wait, that is webdriver wait and explicit conditions. So we will be seeing the syntax for the explicit wait, that is, first of all we need to make the reference of the webdriver wait and then specify the time, and then we need to use the expected conditions class and their method element to be clickable. We have more methods, and this we will be going to discuss the later in the video. Now we will be discussing this, that wait dot until expected conditions dot element to be clickable. Then we will find the XPath of that element that we want to click. Now we can write this XPath, any XPath here. Okay, now we will click this element after the wait, because we want to that element to be appear by that time, so that we will not get any exception. So the explicit wait waits for the specified amount of time or for the condition met, whichever occurs first. It means that in explicit wait, if I have given the time 30 seconds but in 10 seconds the element gets appeared, then the next step gets executed after the 10 seconds. It will not wait for the whole 30 seconds. That's the main difference between the implicit wait and the explicit wait. Now we will be going to discuss the methods from the expected conditions. Here the first method is element to be clickable. In this method, expected conditions wait for the element until it is clicked, but it should be displayed and enabled. like this. We can use this method like wait dot until expected conditions dot element to be clickable and by dot x path. Now the next method is text to be present in the element. We will use wait dot until expected conditions dot text to be present in element and then the x path of the particular area in which we want the text to be present by that time. Then our next is alert is present. So we will use wait dot until expected conditions dot alert is present is not equals to null. It means that by that time the alert should get present. Okay, now the title is the wait dot until title is, that is Facebook. It waits for the page to have a specific title that we have mentioned. So I think you have much more clarity about the concept of implicit weight and the explicit weight. This is the most important question in the interview that has to be asked either for the SDET interview questions or the Selenium automation engineer interview questions. So guys, goodbye. Stay tuned for the other videos. Thank you.